Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in your Kia Forte. First, ensure you have an AC recharge kit, safety glasses, and gloves ready. Next, find the low-pressure service port on your vehicle's AC line. It's typically on the larger diameter pipe and often has an L cap. Finally, start your car, turn the air conditioning to its maximum cold setting, and set the fan to high. Now, let's connect the kit. Begin by shaking the refrigerant can vigorously for approximately 1 minute to mix its contents. Then, screw the can onto the charging hose. Carefully attach the quick connect fitting of the hose to the low-pressure service port you located earlier. Make sure the connection is firm and secure to avoid any refrigerant escaping during the process. With everything connected, it's time to add the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger for short bursts, about 10 seconds each, while gently rotating the can. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on the hose. You want the needle to stay within the green zone, indicating the correct pressure range. Stop adding refrigerant as soon as the gauge reaches the optimal level. Once the pressure is correct, carefully disconnect the charging hose from the low-pressure service port. Be sure to replace the protective cap on the port to keep out dirt and moisture. Finally, test your Kia Forte's air conditioning system. You should notice a significant improvement in cooling performance, providing a more comfortable ride. Enjoy your refreshed AC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.